The application for the constitutional bench is made in E015, as my friend given me, so that effectively the subject matter of the mover is being given only 5 minutes. I plead with you, give us 10 minutes.
How long do you need?
10 minutes. Out of 6.
You have 10 minutes. You have 10 minutes.
Yes, yes. Dr. Kamuna, we please, we are not audible.
Oh, I'm sorry, I speak now.
Yes, speak.
I received the instructions yesterday from the project here that I come and make an application that Kituo here would like to be joined this meeting. We all know Kituo here. We can't pretend that we don't know. And we know the role Kituo here has played in advancing the jurisprudence of the Christianity and the rule of law in this country. So I urge you respectfully that you place my name on record. Secondly, I would like also to place my name on record in my own right as an elder at the bar and one who has seen for a number of things which I may not be able to say if I'm representing the position.
That is okay. We have done that.
Thank you very much. May I then comment on one small thing? My lords, the country is not crisis. There's a constitutional crisis. There is a national crisis. And our coming to this court is like commencing or opening an opportunity for healing in the country. And if I may say so, with tremendous respect, this is not a matter where you should be allocating some 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. No, that is not suitable. Let these lawyers talk. They are part of the healing process to the 15 million of Kenyans. A number of them are glued now to radios and TVs, trying to hear what is being said in this court. And for this honorable court to come and say that my ever friend, Mr. Mwite, will only have 10 minutes, will have no 5 minutes.
Mr. Mute asked for 10 minutes and we allowed him to have 10 minutes.
He said so because he was under coercion.
What? I think Dr. Kamuna.
I have taken the trouble to read this constitution of Kenya. I have taken the trouble to read constitutions of other countries. In fact, the way things stand at the moment, the constitution law is evolving in such a manner that it's no longer confined only to Kenya. We can have a concept of international constitutional law. And if you read that law, including the American law, which I've taken the trouble to read, and which I've had access to it for many years.
Dr. Kamuna, we made proposals and we gave directions. Apparently, you are not satisfied. What is your version? What would you want us? You want to give everybody how much time?
My Lord, forget about the concept of time. Forget, where are we heading for? What are we heading for?
So, yeah.
Yeah, we want the country to wake up and to revive and to give the life to the country. The country is Kenya, if you don't know what I'm talking about. Your Honor, let the lawyers say what they want to say. This is part of the healing process of the whole country.
Dr. Kamuna, I ask you,
Yes.
we have given directions on time allocation.
Your hands are not tied with respect.
Okay, tell us, just tell us, in your view, how much time do you want us to allocate parties?
What I'm saying to the tremendous respect, my Lord, we talk about time in civil matters and so. But we are dealing here with the issue of impeachment. Issue of impeachment of the deputy Deputy President, it's not a small matter at all. It's a matter that is touching the whole nation. It has paralyzed the nation.
We have heard you, Dr.
And
Kabino.
let
What
Paul
we do,
Minister be given as much time as he wants.
what we
Let the professor be given as much time as he wants. Let the Honorable Attorney General be given as much time as he wants. That is the healing process. And from this court, we shall all march forward with confidence. If I may quote Mutaji Makinata, kifua, mbele, Matako, nyuma. Let us do that. Let us talk about corporate time. Where are we going?
My Lord, may
Where are we going with?
maybe
Please,
I
I'm
can
speaking. Will you
assist
speak?
Dr. Kamino.
With respect, will you speak to that? Kamino is talking. Will you sit down? That don't mind the matter. I am talking. I am on the floor. My Lord, let
Under
the
the rules of this court,
Yeah.
senior counsel has preference, speaks first before any other person except the Attorney General. So if you would please sit down, I as senior
I will
counsel.
not speak down. We're not practicing law. You're still doing breastfeeding.
That is also. So my Lord,
My Lord,